Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 28th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the monthly Euro dollar, I'm still very bullish overall, even though the Euro has been very, very weak as of lately. I still think we're either going to go up and make a running flat wave C, which would likely go to one of these two areas, or possibly even more likely a expanding flat wave C, which would likely go up to one of these two fib levels. Either way, definitely looking at a bullish market on these higher time frames. Going down to the weekly time frame, I still got my Fibonacci retracement on here. I still think this could be a 1 or it could be a WXY of 2. I still think that it possibly could respect this fib level. Looking at other dollar pairs, I honestly wouldn't be surprised at all if it did go down and take out this low before it did go up. But until it breaks below the 78%, I'm still going to say that it possibly will respect that area and possibly end up continuing the uptrend. Taking it down to the daily time frame, I do have an alternative Elliot wave count that does have this going down below this previous low. But for now, since we have not broken below the 78%, I'm definitely still looking at this as possibly respecting this area. If it does go up, if it does break structure, then it would prove to me it's a wave C. If it doesn't go up and break structure, then I would continue to look for shorts. I think it actually could be pretty likely that it goes down, takes out this low, and maybe in a week or two actually ends a crescent and continues up from there. So heading down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, the Euro is making a little bit of a push up today. I have my Fibonacci retracement on here. Like I said, if it goes up and breaks structure, that's definitely going to turn me into a buyer. I personally think that it's more likely it's going to go up, bounce off a Fibonacci level, and actually go down. Until we actually get a break of structure, I am definitely a seller at the end of ABC pullbacks. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. Now, don't get me wrong, it definitely does look like 1, 2, 3 ways down. I mean, it definitely could start going up, and it definitely could break structure. If it does break structure, then I definitely will turn into a buyer at the end of pullbacks. But right now, especially looking at the higher time frames and looking at correlated dollar pairs, I honestly would not be surprised at all if this right here was a crescent to the downtrend, which I'm definitely thinking that it is. I personally am looking for 3 waves up. I'm looking for a Fibonacci bounce. I'm looking for an entry to go short, and for the continuation of the downtrend, unless we start going up and breaking structure. I would at least have to see a break of structure on these levels before I would even think about looking for buys. I personally am looking for sells at the end of 3 way pullbacks still for the continuation of this bigger downtrend, which I still think is a wave 2 of wave C on the much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.